Stop playing with him, Riot.
Stop playing with him, Riot. Like, he's sliding on this stuff. Headshot, 223.
She a baddie, rocks a link. Let me
He ain't make this. He ain't make this. He ain't make this.
take her to the back, she wanna look at me. Headshot, 223. Bear rock, movie scene. Baby, let's turn up in this party. What's a wedding ring? My same haters in the club, we blowing up the scene. It's the same bulls, we turning up, we repping for the deep. All my homies play putting up.
No TikTok. But this was a little bit more Jersey. I ain't gonna lie, I'll be bumping this shit.
30s like it's Steph Curry. Shorty said she wanna blow my whistle like a referee. She been tripping, it's been jealousy. She said just love me please. I do not like this girl, so please don't put my neck on the leash. If she said she on the same vibe, I say come mess with me. If these people play, we slide with kicks dirty, no referee.
Damn.
Headshot,
223.
she a baddie,
Wrestling.
Let me take her to the back, she wanna look at me. Headshot, 223. Bear rock, movie scene. Baby, let's turn up in this party. What's a wedding ring? Tripping off the hill, shawty super cold. I'm a young kid, trapping for.
That nigga trying to hit. Wait, how that? Head top, I need it right now. Oh, what in the air? Gotta come down. That's that sway. How that sway song? How that sway song went, chat? Bro, I forgot how that sway. Now it's gonna hurt me. It's gonna hurt me. I gotta figure out how that sway song went, bro. Wait, how was it? Sorry, y'all can skip, bro. I gotta listen to it though. I have to listen to it. Speaking of swag, what's his name? What's the niggas called? Sway Lee. I'm tripping there. I'm tripping.
Hit these goofy plays, slap his head, slime and wipe his nose. And then we treat him like a joke. I put the gas in the truck.
He just messed it up. He had to be trolling. I mean, when is he not trolling?
That's why they gassing me up.
Hey.
I'm going fast on the run. Where you from? Where you home?
Stop playing with him, Riot.
Listen.
Hey, these people play like it's a Game Boy. Speeding on the gas of 7-Eleven, he a lame boy. Hit him with a dip and make him dance like a B-boy. All up in your man, girl, she said she love a speed boy. Why?
And you know it's so crazy? Because I know I did it. When Logan Paul dropped the song, because I was a big Logan Paul fan. When Logan Paul dropped the song, I learned every single word to it. I know there's a kid right now that knows all the words to every speed song.
Wifey, I keep no hoes. Cause you my shorty and I want you to know that I know that I keep no hoes. Cause you my shorty and I want you to know.
What's that needed, bro? What's that needed, Speed? The song is called Gas in a Truck. Why are you doing it?
Wifey, I keep no hoes. Cause you my shorty and I want you to know that I know that my life is a love.
Nigga literally got in start position and just kept. Come on, dude. Now you're doing random shit. You're doing random shit.
I can't get this feeling off of me. I've been tripping off the tree. Getting closer to my
Is
peak.
he squaring up now?
Nah. I can't get this feeling off of me. I've been tripping off the tree.
Alright, yeah, this song's not as good as
Closer to my peak.
Headshot 223. Says you're gonna wrestle me.
I put the gas in the truck. I know, and bigger men like they don't know. Fast kid.
Alright, this is a cool song. I just want to hear the headshot.